The shiur on Tefila, we got to Letziun. We're talking about Kadosh, 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 Hashem Tzevakot, Melekol Kaaretz Kevodo. We say Kadosh Baruch Hu is holy and holy and is holy. The three different words. And like Targum Yonatan says, Kadosh Baruch Hu is holy in the residence of Shekinah. Hashem is holy in the world, this Ulam Hased, this world that Hashem created, and Hashem is holy the world to come. Then we finish that Melekol Kaaretz Kevodo. We say that the entire world is filled with His glory. So it's interesting. Putting these two together brings out a very interesting thought about HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Kadosh, Kadosh, Kadosh. We say that Hashem is above, separated, and something that we cannot comprehend Hashem. From all of the hidden things, Hashem is the most hidden thing that could exist. It's Kadosh, Kadosh, Kadosh. It's very above our comprehension, our understanding, our relating to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Hashem is above everything, whatever we think. In other words, once Rabbi Bergman, the son-in-law of Rabbi Shach, said it's very interesting that we say Baruch Shem Kevod Malchuto Olam Vayed in two different places. One place is after Shema. We say Shema, Israel Hashem, Lekun Hashem Echad. After that, we say Baruch Shem Kevod Malchuto Olam Vayed, which means bless the name of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, His glory, Olam Vayed forever. There is another place in Halacha that we say Baruch Shem Kevod Malchuto Olam Vayed. And when is that? When we make a bracha lebatala. Whenever we make a bracha that's not proper, and it was disgracing Hashem, right away we say Baruch Shem Kevod Malchuto Olam Vayed to rectify the fact that we disgraced Hashem, saying a bracha that was not needed or was not proper. Oh, the Bergman said that it's interesting when you put these two together. In other words, our Chazal are telling us, when we say Shema, we have to have Kavona, HaKadosh Baruch Hu is Yachid, Be'elyonim, Be'tachtonim, in 7 Rakia, 7 levels of the heavens. Hashem is Yachid and it's above our mind, and we could think and we could understand and relate greater and greater and greater. Now, whatever we understand regarding to reality of HaKadosh Baruch Hu is the battle. It's not glory of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, it's disgracing Hashem. Because no matter how extensive, how deep we understand Hashem, we don't understand. That's why right away we say Baruch Shem Kevod Malchuto Olam Vayed. That's a common factor between these two. And of course, we have to try to understand and to comprehend HaKadosh Baruch Hu as much as we could, and that's our connection to Hashem. Chas v'shalom, we are not saying that we should not do, but nevertheless, we have to realize what we understand, what we comprehend is not the reality. From reality of Hashem is very far away. That understanding is the batala, is void, is disgraceful Hashem. But nevertheless, Hashem wants that. Therefore, we are saying the most hidden in the Beriah of Beriah is HaKadosh Baruch Hu. We say Melekol Kaaretz Kevodo. Very interesting. Hashem Tzevakot. Chazal say why Hashem is called Hashem Tzevakot, Hashem of legends. What's Tzevakot in Hebrew? Tzevakot consists of two words. Tzevakot. In other words, his legends of his Beriah, whatever that he created, is a sign of existence of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. It's the ought to say Hashem, to understand, to realize. Unbelievable. As far as comprehension and understanding goes, Hashem is the most hidden. As far as to see, to observe His deed, His creation, His author, His signs in the Beriah, every piece of Beriah, every piece of creation, wherever that you see around you, you see Tzevakot, you see the sign of Hashem. Is the most revealed existence that could exist. Anything that you see in the Beriah creation, whatever that you see around you, Tzevakot is the sign of existence of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. you break it through, you understand. Like a lot of Rabbanim say, if you eat the fruit, you open the fruit, you look at inside, you see all of the things. You see the blossom, you see the trees, you see around you. Whatever that you see is a sign of Kadosh Baruch Hu. Therefore, this Kadosh Baruch Hu, that we observe and we serve, has two sides of coin. In one hand, as far as comprehension of understanding Him totally, to understand His existence, it's hidden. It's the most hidden. We cannot relate. But as far as seeing Him and relating to Him as a sign is full of, the world is full. This is the Nikila. It's the most revealed because all over that you see. So that is what we are saying here. That is what the message of the Tefila is. You are departing the Tefila. Yes, it's the most hidden. But you are going to work. Pay attention. See. You see the Hashgacha Kadosh Baruch Hu. You see the hand of Hashem. You see this area, His creations. Hashem is Hashem. Tzevakot, like Chazal said, that all of the legends are the sign of His revelation in the world.